Wargame exclusives and newest miniatures wants to rock with you.
Spiky Bits.
Welcome back, Hobby Maniacs. I'm Baer from SpikyBits.com, and we've got more Wargame exclusive miniatures for you today. We're going to check out the Chaos side of the new releases from summer of 2019. They sent them over to us, so we're going to take a look, share them with you, get that sweet promotion love for them because they've got really great sculpts. And if you're looking for something a little different, something maybe perhaps an affordable alternative to what's out there today, or perhaps just something that you can actually get your hands on because maybe a plastic miniature is out of stock, well, Wargame exclusive might be the way to go for you. So jumping over to the website, wargameexclusive.com, you can see some of the other newest releases here. And then of course they've got the Chaos stuff, Chaos Axe Champion, aka the Not Karn. A new Necro Cyborg, Awakened Lord. We don't have that one to show you today, but we'll get to him soon. Chaos and Noisemaker has the horns up, and the Primogenitor, I don't know. I guess he cleans up after the other Primaris Marines. You can find all of the new Chaos releases under the Chaos section. Who would have thunk it? And here you can see them. The Noisemaker, the Primogenitor, Axe Champion, and some cool night cockpits that we actually skipped over. I don't think we ever got those. And it looks like there's even a Chaos Corsair Lord and a pet on the way here in the near future as well. But we're going to take a look at these guys today. So €29.99 euros. I guess that's about $33 US, give or take. And it's kind of, you know, on point with what we showed you in the past with like Warcasters and Conqueror Lords. Some of the larger miniatures too, like the Lord of the Night. So I'm interested to see how these compare to a Primaris, a Space Marine size miniature, or even the newer Chaos ones as well. So if you've never bought anything from Wargame exclusive, it's going to come sealed in a blister pack like this with a base at the bottom, sometimes some plastic in here with the different parts and such to try to keep them, you know, under control and under wraps and not getting all dinged up. No UPC on the back, but if you know a retailer looking to carry these, you can always hit up Wargame exclusive because they do have some wholesale options out there for stores. It's kind of a great thing to pick up because it seems like everybody has 20-30 bucks in their pocket when they walk into a store. And nowadays that doesn't go as far as it used to, but it could go a lot farther with these miniatures here. So first up, we're going to take a look at the Chaos and Noisemaker, which is, you know, obviously their take on rock and roll and Slanesh and all that stuff in true Wargame exclusive fashion. There's no lack of detail. So it's got these really interesting kind of pinion demon claw thing feats just kind of rocking out right there and digging into some sort of cultist, or I'm not exactly sure what's going on there, but he looks he doesn't look like he's enjoying it. Got this big old booming guitar looking thing, almost like something you'd expect to see Prince using, I suppose. And got some piping down to it, either power or sound. Obviously got the horns up right there. Great looking backpack, lots and lots of spiky bits on it. Gotta have the spiky bits. And then the head itself, well, it's almost Primaris-y. And yeah, I don't know what's going on with all that, but it definitely works. It all goes together and looks very good. So I think they knocked this one out of the park for sure. Size-wise, I thought I had some Chaos Marines around here, but apparently I don't have any put together. So there's we're just gonna have to compare it to a Primaris. So he's a little bit smaller than the Blood Angel or the Blood Captain Smash Captains we showed you, but still Primaris size, and that's pretty much what the new Chaos Duders are right there. Another cool, now this one's really cool. This is you know, not Fabius Bile, of course, and he's kind of thick. He's got an interesting stance right there. He's got his cane because he's doing it. He's getting it done, and then he's got, you know, the normal what is that, needle pistol, Zykos something or another needle pistoler. So definitely a very cool take on it. Now he is on a 32mm base, so you already know he's a little bit bigger, and then you can kind of see some of the bionic arms and doodads and things from his little helper backpack there. But what's that? A little prehensile tail carrying some sort of vial or scroll or something like that. Who knows what's going on with that, but I don't know. Comparison wise, well, there he is. Compared to a Primaris Space Marine, he is about the right size. So if you're looking for something a little bit more fresher, a little bit more up to date, then this guy might be for you. And last but certainly not least is the Axe Lord. So reimagined, redefined. We got a ginormous axe right there. It's not exactly a chain axe, but it's definitely some sort of demonically possessed. Got all sorts of faces in it. No lack of detail, skulls, chains, any sort of thing you would expect from the followers of Chaos / Khorne. It's going to be on here. He does bear a vague resemblance to Khorne the Betrayer, but it's kind of hard to see. It's one of those things like, hey, is that Khorne? Oh, it might be. Oh, that's something different. Cool, what is that? Really great looking backpack as well, with some super serious either exhaust or I don't know what that could be. Speaker grills, Vox grills, who knows? Either way, and of course he's got the little chain swinging right there underneath the tabard. So lots going on with this miniature, but I think another one that's very cool looking, very well styled. And then when it comes to, hey, how big is it? Right there. Very big. So primary sized, faux show. Don't have to worry about any of that. Gonna fit in with most of your stuff right there. So 3 great looking new Chaos models from Wargame exclusive. Make sure you head over to their website, pick these bad boys up, and possibly a lady. I don't know if that's what I think it is. It's very subtle, it's very hard to see, but maybe that's a lady, not Khorne. Lady Axe Lord, I don't know. It just depends on the sculpt right there, but either way, it's subtle enough. You can kind of make it whatever you want, I guess, when it comes to that sort of thing with a little green stuff and putty. Either way, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be the very first to like and comment on all our videos.